My man Brad, your 250 is shipping out, guys. Let's check her out before she leaves. So guys, this is our TMG 250 on the off-road package, guys. Y'all know the deal on our off-road packages here. We go all out on the tank smokers. You get fully fabricated axles front and rear, brace underneath. I mean, if we're gonna do it, guys, we're gonna go all out on it. So this thing looks badass. To top it off, he went with our XL wheel and tire package, 15-inch wheel, 30-inch mud tire on that bad boy. Now, do you have to have a big-ass mud tire in your pit? No, but should you? Yes. All right, that's a fact. We'll open up this pit. Now you'll notice as I open these doors up, it's very easy to open. That is because he has added our counterweight package on the 250. Inside here, we got 3 bottom grates. Bottom trays are removable. And then 2 sliding top trays. That is our standard setup inside of the pit. He did add that stainless steel front shelf up front as well. TMG pits, tell truth thermometers, 1 in each door there. On the stack, it does have the fold down stack, guys. All of our tank smokers get the fold down stack standard. 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there helps keep her clean. Also, stainless steel shelf on top of the firebox. I'm a big fan of this myself. Like the way it looks, plus got a little extra area to set something down. That doesn't ever hurt. Now inside the firebox, guys, fully insulated firebox here. So we got the 3/8 thick pipe, wrapped with insulation. Doors insulated, front of it's insulated well, holds heat great. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down. The way you want to haul it over to your buddy's house, show it off, we're trying to make it easy on y'all folks. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.